Greetings and salutations, our trusted members, subscribers, and viewers. This is Orville Expressions, aka Numbers from the Big Bad Bartender. I have three very important public service announcements. First, we will be uploading at 10:30 tonight. 9:30 for members and 10:30 for our regular viewers. The second thing is, tonight will be our season finale. I'm sorry we were not able to alert you before now, but we have to take a break and we will decide when we come back. The third thing is, I want you to join us on our live at 8 p.m. so we can discuss where we go with the bartender. We want to thank you for your continued viewership and your continued support, and we encourage you to keep following Expressions JA and help us to bring the bartender back.
I wanted to take me home.
Home?
And keep my company until tomorrow. Are we ready?
Oh yes. Check please.
What just happened a while? A criminal charges then bring up against me some Mullings, you know.
What?
Carlton. Trevor, maybe why you do something for me?
I just have to stay and face the music.
No, make him come after you first. You go after him.
What go on with silly? That means that if them have her now, them can track her. Carlton, Selena near you?